In this video, I'll be providing you a quick overview of Sprokets Policy Hub. Sproket is an intranet solution installed over Microsoft SharePoint and Office 365. Sproket delivers a simply brilliant intranet right out of the box, with a beautifully designed look and feel that is mobile friendly, which can be easily customized to your corporate brand to convey your company culture. You can watch a quick overview of Sproket by clicking on the link above. This video will take a deep dive into Policy Hub and how your business can revolutionize the way you do policies and procedures within your workplace. Almost every business has policies and procedures, but effectively communicating them to your team is the most common challenge our customers face. Lots of organizations have the same problem, whether it be duplication of documents, users are unsure which is the latest version, users print out the policies, which creates more duplicates and quickly becomes outdated. Getting access to these important policies and procedures from outside the office or from your mobile phone or tablet can be tedious or impossible. The speed and time it takes to find, access and download current documents is inefficient. Authoring is difficult and cumbersome. Or seeking approval from managers can be tremendously frustrating. For example, you've created your document and you think it's perfect, and now it's time to get final approval before we release it to the organization. So you compose a new email to your boss and the governance manager, attach your hard work to the email and send it. Both parties come back with some marked up feedback, hopefully with track changes on. Now it's your job to consolidate their feedback and go through the process all over again until all parties are satisfied. Policy Hub has been purposely built to address all these issues. Policy Hub has a modern way of providing a platform for your end users to consume your policies and procedures. By providing your content via your intranet and the web browser means your users can access this content from anywhere on any device. In addition, you can add content-rich information like videos, metadata, web parts, interactive diagrams, and much more. Moreover, there is only one copy of your policies, creating a single source of truth, and your team can be kept up to date with changes as they happen. It's also accessible from anywhere on any device. For content authors, we know that Microsoft Word is the tool of choice when it comes to writing content, and that's where authors are most comfortable. So, with Policy Hub, we wanted to ensure this is where the heavy lifting remains. All of your original policies and procedures are stored in a SharePoint document library, enabling a single source of truth. This also enables sharing, co-authoring, version control, workflows, and a very high level of security. Let's jump in and take a look from an end user's perspective. When users first land in the Policy Hub, they can immediately see what's been recently updated, along with a social channel discussing recent updates. While the menu on the left allows me to drill down to find the policy I'm looking for, I can also see related policies on this topic, which could spark my interest. When on a policy, I can utilize the menu on the right to jump directly to the section that I'm interested in. Search is very powerful, allowing me to quickly find what I'm looking for. I can make use of search scopes to narrow my search specifically down to policies and save time with predictive search. Within the results, I can use the refiners. All of this is completely configurable to meet your business requirements. And accessing from a mobile phone is just as intuitive, with touch-enabled functions and easy access to the menu that allows for fast navigation between policies. Policy authors can still use Microsoft Word to draft their documents and use our Policy Hub converters that will automatically convert them into web pages. It converts all the formatting and images along with it. This process can also incorporate an approval process to ensure managers approve them before it's made available to the organization. Let's jump in and take a look from an author's perspective. So I've uploaded the document that I prepared earlier. Let's take a look at its contents. With this document now in SharePoint, we have a single source of truth. I can share a link to my colleagues and request they help me write the content. And this document is now version controlled, allowing me to roll back if I need to. This document can also be tagged with metadata to help users find your content faster. Okay, so now our policy is ready for approval, so we'll click the Seek Approval button. This triggers a Microsoft flow. The flow action will send an email to my managers requesting approval. Each manager can open the document, review it, make changes to it, and approve. Once approved, the document will be converted into a page with all images, formatting, and heading structures brought along with it. It will also notify the organisation via Yammer of the policy update. This entire workflow is completely configurable and customizable to meet your business requirements. The overall user experience of Sproket with Policy Hub has users confident they are viewing the most up-to-date content. This drives user adoption and ultimately increases efficiency within the workplace. If you would like to know more about Sproket, please request a personal demo today.